Unlocking TDP-43's role in the brain's immune cells. Every second, the brain relies on a specialized defense force to stay healthy. These cells are called microglia. Often described as the brain's resident immune cells, they do everything from fighting infections to clearing out cellular debris. But microglia are also deeply tied to neurodegenerative diseases, and a new study published in Nature Neuroscience explains why. A research team at the University of Lausanne decided to look closely at a protein called TDP-43. Scientists already know that TDP-43 behaves abnormally in diseases like ALS and certain dementias, where it mislocalizes and forms toxic clumps inside neurons. However, its role inside the brain's immune cells has remained largely a mystery. To understand it better, the team genetically deleted the TDP-43 protein specifically from the microglia of mice during early development. They discovered that as these mice reached adulthood, they developed significant motor impairments. Using advanced imaging, the researchers found a striking domino effect. During early development, the brain naturally generates minor structural errors when building myelin, the protective insulation around nerve fibers. Healthy microglia routinely clean up these errors to optimize the brain's wiring. But without TDP-43, the microglia lost their clearing efficiency. The researchers traced this failure to a breakdown in a critical cellular pathway known as the TREM2-DP12 axis. Because this pathway was disrupted, the myelin abnormalities remained unresolved, leading to broader cellular dysfunction and ultimate motor deficits. This finding shifts how we think about neurodegeneration. It demonstrates that TDP-43 isn't just critical for neurons, it is essential for the cells tasked with protecting them. By identifying this mechanism, the study opens up entirely new pathways for targeted therapies. What do you think about this study? Drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.